Hello, yes, we are here with this Mazda CX5 all-wheel drive. As you can see in the description right here. So we are going to replace the rear brake pads on this Mazda CX5, but it is electric parking, for the parking brake is electrical actuator. So what is the way to push in the piston on the back if this has an electric parking brake? The first thing is you have to leave the car without the parking brake. So turn on, put something to start the wheel, and then release the parking brake. After you release the parking brake, you are ready to remove the wheel, the caliper. Before remove the caliper is good option, remove the plug for the electric parking brake, because if you do that without release the parking brake and you release the plug, the car will be stuck, the wheel. So you have to release the parking brake and then remove the wire from the electric motor, the parking brake actuator motor, and then remove that plug right there, and then remove the caliper. After remove the caliper, how can I do to push in the piston? This is what I do. So with the parking brake out, wheel off, wheel out, the caliper out, you see there is no parking brake actuator. But the first thing was remove the parking brake and then release this plug from the parking brake actuator, which is this one right here. So this is the parking brake actuator. This is electric motor, a little bit rust right here. I don't like it, the rust inside. So to remove this actuator, you have to remove these two bolts from here. You have to use an Allen wrench. This one is 5 millimeters. It's hard to see, but it's 5 millimeters. Good brand, made in USA. Allen wrench to remove these two bolts. But one was hard to take it out, this one, because a little rust on the thread. So I had to put some grease right here. And the other one was easy to take it out. So after take it out the parking brake actuator, now it's time to push the piston in, but it's not possible to do it only like the regular, piston pusher. So what do I have to do? Right here in the back there is a Allen wrench, or it's not Allen head or a square head, I don't know, like a nut, like a bolt. And right here there is my pusher, my tool for the push the piston. Right, so I start to pushing. Will go in the beginning, but then it's stopped. As you can see, now it's stuck. It doesn't go in anymore. And still I have to push this piston a little bit more. Alright. So what can I do? With a 8 millimeters wrench, I get this thing right here and move to the right 1/4, and then I can push this piston a little bit. You see, it's stuck again. So another cord, right, and then push it. And I have to keep doing this until all piston will be inside the caliper. Alright, will be easy for you because you are going to use your two hands, right? change the weight, 3/4. Yes, it's better. I can push in a little bit more. I prefer doing, you know, quart by quart. Quart of turns, 90 degrees, 90 by 90. No pressure, no nothing, just do it. Now stop. This all the way to the in position, and then it's almost all the way in. So there is no more to do. You know, just release the tool. I don't wanna leave this tie. I go a little bit to the back, okay, because I need some clearance to install the actuator. Okay, now it's in place. So now I can use my 2 bolts. Alright. My 5mm Allen wrench. That's what I'm finishing. But this other bolt I had to put some grease. I don't have grease with me now. I had to go and get it. Put some grease right here on the thread and put it right here, you know, and tie everything, you know. You can see now my piston is in, and this caliper will be ready to put it back on place. But yes, I had to replace this rotor, a little damage, and also the pads. Okay. This clip has to go to the top, right? Like that. Oh, I don't know if I can reuse this clip. If the new pad doesn't have it, I have to reuse this clip right here. And you see, this one is good, so I don't know why it's working like that. Maybe because this pin is stuck, so it's freeze. Yes, it's moving by just a little bit. I don't know why it doesn't get all the piston, just something is out online. But yes, this way has to push in. Maybe that is why my pads were out from one more than the other one. I don't know why this one, because this is stuck, I'm not sure. But I had to take it out, this one, clean this pin right here, right, put also some grease. But yes, I had to remove the caliper bracket to remove the brake roller. Alright, so this is what we do, replacing the brake on this Mazda. Alright, thank you for watching this Automotive Diagnostics Pro Plus channel. Have a beautiful day.